To make a call from COM Portal, click the Make Call button. Select or enter the number you'd like to call and click Dial. This allows you to place the call from your desktop phone using your business caller ID. When you select this option, the call is placed and your desktop phone will ring. Once you answer, the call will be placed. To end the call, click the End Call button or hang up the handset. If you're not at your desk but would like to place a call with your business caller ID but from a different phone, click the Change link. Enter the number of the phone you're using, for example, your mobile phone, then click Dial. Your mobile phone will ring. Once you answer, the call will be placed to the destination using your business caller ID, not your mobile phone caller ID.